absolutely delicious.
Faster! I have to get even faster!
This is so much better than running. Oof. Why is this so heavy? It's just a little pink thing.
Because you're not trying. Focus, Amy! Focus!
That, is it!
Eat this. It's for your own good, Amy. I care about you. Thank you, Sonic.
We'll get there, Amy.
I missed the chocolate already. No, this isn't happening. Yes, it is, Sonic. Look.
I never want to see you again!
Why are you doing this?
Get out!
No, please don't. I'm sorry, Amy. It has to be this way. You are coming with me. No, Sonic, please don't do this. Sonic, please don't do this.
I'm leaving, Amy.
It's over. No, please. What about our baby? Don't leave me alone.
Whoa! Not going out there.
Get out! Sonic, please, no. Oh, careful. Hold on. Just a little further. Almost there. Open up! Please, please, open the door! Sonic, please! I need help!
Sonic, let us in. Just talk to us. Just go away. I'm not opening the door.
Oh, I need you. Please. Why? Why won't you open it? I never thought it would come to this. He's not here, and I'm all alone. Please open the door. Please. I'm begging you. Don't leave me out here. Where are you? Amy, are you all right? He's gone. No, he's here. Huh. No. I can't. That wasn't a dream. No.
Chaos Control. I'm late. 0815? GUN will be furious.
Oh my. 8:23. I'm late. Meeting with Sonic.
Keep up, Shadow! Not a chance, Sonic!
You won't get away from me.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Sonic, this way, hurry!
Amy, open it! Open it now!
Shadow, hold on. We're almost there.
Get out of my way, you blue idiot!
No, you get out. I was here first.
No, you weren't!
Well, are you coming? What's going on?
Keep your distance, Shadow. Unhand me! Oops, gotta go.
Whoa! Ow.
You don't know what you're doing!
I have to try.
Watch out! He's ready to attack! Look at that!
Whoa!
What is that? What was that? Did you feel that? I don't understand. Beat you to it! Not if I can help it!
Shadow, are you okay? We're locked in, Sonic. I can't believe this.
Open up! We know you're in there! Come on, answer us! It's important!
Jeer. Rrr. Ugh. Ah. Grunt. Grrr.
I am the law in this facility.
Right.
And no one is breaking out on my watch. You think this is a joke? Think again. What makes you so sure you'll keep us in? Because this prison is built to hold you. We'll see about that.
All right, fellas, let's settle this. Bring it on, Blue! You won't leave here standing. You think you can handle this? Come on, let's go. I'm getting out of here. You won't defeat me! This ends here, Sonic. You want a problem? Come and get it! You're going down, Sonic! Not today, Knuckles. What is that?
Incredible power!
Not sure if we can take this one.
You are all under arrest. This facility is now under GUN jurisdiction. Stand down! You've had your fun. Now, back to your cells. Immediately. You've had your fun. Now, back to your cells. Immediately. Oh, look at this beautiful flower. It's perfect, just like you. Oh, thank you.
fly! Not so fast, you blue pest! You okay?
I'm fine. Thank you, Sonic. You're the best, Sonic. Thanks, Amy. Welcome, class. Today we discuss the origins of the Chaos Emeralds and ancient Echidna cultures. And that's exactly why the Chaos Emeralds are crucial to understanding Echidna civilization. Don't you think so? The Chaos Emeralds are mystical jewels tied deeply to Echidna culture.
Boring.
Pay attention, Shadow.
Oh, man. Not good. Not stomach ache. Please, make it stop.
Is something not right? Be still. But my stomach is just... Sonic, you drew an egg?
I thought. It was required for the history assignment.
Chaos Emeralds. Echidna cultures. Sonic, what are you doing? All right, class, focusing on Echidna cultures. What's that smell? Oh no, not again.
What's this?
Oh, and that's how the Chaos Emeralds shape their society. Shadow, are you all right?
Ugh, what is that smell, Sonic?
What's going on here?
What?
What's going on? Which is central to understanding Echidna culture.
Sniff.
Oh, that smells awful. Knuckles, are you all right?
What's wrong with him?
I smell something. That is vile.
I hate you. You're despicable.
I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean it.
Enough, both of you.
Sigh.
Oh, my eyes! It burns! What is this? Huh, interesting. Not again.
Heh. Well, you caught me. Oops. Just thinking, you know?
You, out, now. Aw, Ames. Don't make me use the Pico Pico hammer. Shadow, Knuckles, wake up! Ugh, what happened? Is it over? Sonic, I told you. Too many chili dogs and not enough brushing. But Amy, it's just a little ache. Oh no. Oh no! Oh yes!
Hey, buddy. Don't look so scared. I've got the latest tech ready for you. You just sit right there. Is that a chair or a rocket ship? Please tell me it's a rocket ship. It's not a rocket ship. AH. The light! I'm being abducted by aliens! Help!
Just hold my hand. It'll be over in a second.
Ready for the inspection?
Ugh, school. I'm not doing it. You have to, Sonic.
Gasp. Oh, no. Oh. Sonic? Are you all right?
Wah, my tummy!
Just kidding. You totally fell for it.
Sonic, you're such a jerk!
Don't worry. You'll feel better soon. I hope so. My stomach really hurts.
Yes, get that ring! Whoa! Wait, what? Oh no, 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 no! Sonic, what are you doing with my stomach medicine? It seemed like a good idea at the time.
H hurts so bad.
Vital signs are rising. We need to administer the serum now.
Are you sure it will work?
Make it stop. Please. I can't.
Oh, please. Please wake up. Don't leave me. I can't lose you.
I feel so weird. The readings are off the charts. Oh no. Who is that? Stay back. It's them.
It's okay, Sonic. Stay with me.
We're ready, Sonic. Just hold still. No, no, no! Stop, Tails! Hold still, Sonic. This is for your own good. Oh my goodness! What is that? It's too bright. Help. Sonic? Are you all right? Oh my gosh, he's okay. Oh man, this is bad. It's glowing. What's happening? Whoa, I'm okay. He's shrinking. You did it, Sonic. Ah, that's better.
Whoa.
Is that what I think it is?
Chili dogs or Chaos Emeralds? Seriously? What are these scribbles?
Coup?
Fine, whatever. Just try to be more specific next time.
You know I'll be back, right?
You're buying groceries this time, no Chaos Emeralds. Heh, we'll see about that, old man. Where is everyone? What happened here? Not again.
Giggles happily. Chews and giggles again.
You idiot! Now you've done it! Leave me alone, Shadow. I didn't mean to. Chaos Control!
All right, stay in there. Just give me a minute.
Sonic, be careful. Oops. No. Are you all right, little guy? Baby Sonic, where are you? Peekaboo! Surprise! Ah! Yowen.
Oh.
Mro?
Heaven. I'm in heaven. Too easy. I'm just warming up.
Ugh, I look like a balloon, but I will win.
Nom nom! So good! Whoa. Getting a bit tight here.
The weather is perfect. I brought some healthy snacks for. Ugh, Amy. Oh my! Oh no! Oh wow! That's not great! Oh no! Oh! I can't believe you did that, Sonic! I'm leaving.